Not to glaze them too much, but Google might just be the greatest company that's ever lived. I think we can finally forgive them for all the products they've ruined over the years because recently they released Gemma 4. This is an open-weight, open-source, local, state-of-the-art large language model. Unlike your ChatGPT that requires a subscription or Gemini which stores your data on Google servers, this one is free and local, meaning you can download and run it on your own machine without internet and without paying anything at all. That way, we save money and all our weird prompts stay between us and our GPUs. In this video, I'll show you how to download and use Gemma 4 on your PC. I'll show you the best configuration for the model depending on your hardware, and we're going to put it through my personal Vector LLM test to see if it lives up to the hype. Let us begin. The first thing you'll do is go to Google and search for LM Studio download and click on the first result. LM Studio is basically the easiest way for you to interact with LLMs locally on your PC. It provides a graphical user interface right out of the box so that you don't have to interact with a terminal. I know that this black box can be terrifying. I'm going to select Windows here, then click on download for Windows to download LM Studio. It's also available for macOS and Linux too. The binary is about 500 megabytes large, so it might take a while to download. While it's downloading, hit the like button and subscribe, or the rest of the video won't play. Bang! Installing LM Studio is fairly simple. Just click on next a couple of times and you'll see this interface. Simply click on next, and skip downloading the model for now. We will do that in a sec. The dashboard is fairly simple. We have our chats here. This is where all our chats will appear. We have our developer tab. We will cover this in a future video, so for now, skip it. Next, we have the LLM tab. This is where you'll see all your installed LLMs. It's empty for now. And finally, we have the search tab. In here, you can search for and download any LLM you want. To start with, let's install Gemma 4. So go to the search bar here and search Gemma. You will find multiple visions here, but I'll select the 4 billion parameter model and hit download. You'll see that this model here is able to take image inputs, so you can show it pictures of yourself if you want to. Additionally, it is capable of reasoning and it is trained for tool use. This means that you can integrate it into tools like VS Code if you want to. Once our model is downloaded, we simply go back to the chats tab to talk to it. I like to disconnect from Wi-Fi at this moment because we will not be needing it anymore. Then go down here, pick a model, and write my first prompt. I will simply say, "Hi, how are you?" To test how smart a model is, I like to put it through the Vector LLM test. First, some simple word knowledge questions like, who is the current UFC president? Who is the current USA and RSA president? And finally, please develop a game for me in Python, make it Super Mario-like. I wasn't expecting a lot, but check this out. This is actually insane for something that's running locally on my machine without a subscription. So I think it might be time to cancel your ChatGPT Go subscription. Gemma 4 is able to answer basic world knowledge questions. I wouldn't use it as Google yet, but it's not too bad. On the development side, it was able to make this game here, which is very impressive. The fact that this is 100% offline and free is crazy to me because free is basically illegal in 2026. Everything from your home, furniture, appliances, and car requires a subscription. I will be taking advantage of Gemma 4 by forcing it to respond to all my scam sponsorship emails starting today. For now, if you want to see how local AI compares to other models, click this video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you over there.